Morning students, hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 8 soil part 4. So let's start, dear students. Soil profile. You may have noticed that when the soil is dug due to make a well, the layer of foundation for houses, there is a variation in the color and texture of the soil as we dig deeper into the ground. A vertical section of the soil that show the various layer is called soil profile. Dear students, we usually see the top surface of the soil, but not layer below. If you look the side of the dear student recently dug ditch, we can say that the inner layer of the soil too. Dear students, such a view unable to see, dear students, the soil profile is a vertical section through the soil showing the different layer of the soil is called, dear student, that is soil profile. The layer of soil are called, dear student, horizon. Each layer differs in textures, color, depth, and the chemical composition. These layers are referred to as a horizon. We can find out how the soil was formed in the past by the study of horizon in the soil profile. Dear student, the soil profile can also be seen while the digging as a well or layering the foundation of buildings. It can be seen at the side of the road, on the hills, at the step, river bank. So dear students, let's discuss. The main horizons in the soil profile are described in the figure 8.7. Dear student, I will show you soil profile: horizon A, horizon B, horizon C, horizon F, horizon O. So dear students, let's study one by one. Horizon O. Horizon. This is the top layer of the soil. It is rich in the nutrients and contains some partially decomposed organic matter. Dear student, that is just below, we are saying that is, dear students, the O horizon mainly consists dead organic matter which later decomposed to the form humus. It is about 1 inch thick. That horizon, that is the upper layer of a soil. It is rich in the nutrients and contain some partially decomposed organic matter. That is, dear student, O horizon. Now come to the, dear students, next, A horizon. It is the uppermost layer of the soil and it is all called topsoil. Dear students, A horizon forms topmost soil. This layer consists of humus, minerals, and dark in color. The layer is dark in color, soft, porous, rich in humus, and very fine or the small soil particles. Humus, dear students, humus makes the soil fertile. It also improves the texture of the soil and allows water and air to remove in and out of the soil easily. Therefore, topmost soil supports the growth of a plants as it is has the nutrients, air, and water required. It is also the habitat of the many insects and the small animals. Dear students, now dear students, come to the A topmost soil. The uppermost soil of the layer is called, dear student, topmost soil. That is called also A horizon. Dear student, that A horizon have a different features. It is a very darkest in color, rich in humus and minerals. Humus in the topmost soil makes the soil fertile. Cell plant gets essential nutrients from this layer. This layer generally soft, porous, and can retain more water. Topmost soil provides shelter for the living organisms such as worm, rodent, moles, and the beetles. Dear student, the root of the most of the small plants are confined entirely in this layer. So dear students, now come to the B horizon. Dear student, this layer lies below the top soil is called what? Subsoil. Dear student, the layer of the soil which is just below the top soil is called what? Subsoil. It is harder and most compact and richer in the minerals than the topsoil. The subsoil is the lighter in color, contain more sand and stones. Dear student, nutrients present in this layer can only be drawn by the plants having the roots long enough to reach this layer. This layer has a very little humus and not substitute for the growth of the most plant. Dear student, that is the B profile. That is subsoil. This layer is a lighter in color as compared to the top soil. It is a very little humus and organic matter. This layer is a harder and most compact than the top soil. Dear student, roots of these tree generally reaches to up to the level of this level. This layer is rich in the soluble minerals and iron oxide. So dear students, hope you understood A and B and O horizons. Dear students, we will discuss C and R horizon in the next video. So dear students, you have to read these horizon very thoroughly and in a very carefully manner. Dear student, thank you student, stay home, be safe.